Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see that what is digital twin. You may heard about human twin that is identical or non-identical like that you may be heard, but this is something different that is called digital twin. What is the meaning for digital twin? So digital twin is the virtual representation or virtual model of the physical object, right? So example, you can take a plane, right? Okay, aeroplane, you can take it. So if you are taking this aeroplane, that is called physical object there in the physical world. You can convert this physical object into a physical virtual representation or virtual model, right? So this virtual representation or this digital twin requires three elements. One is the virtual representation or virtual element, you can say it. And second one is the physical object or real-time object or real-time element, right? These two are the components or these two are the elements. And if you wanted to connect these two things, you need a third element that is called data. Okay, so example, you just already you maybe heard about this simulation and all. But simulation is completely different. Simulation is not related to the real-time data. But this virtual representation, it's called a digital twin, is related to the real-time data. And you may be asking that, so which year this particular digital twin has been started? Yes, in the year 1991, it has been started. So one of the publication, the leading scientists, one of the publication they have mentioned, but the term is different, mirror world, right? But that particular term, they have introduced this digital twin. But even though in 2002, another software concept has been introduced, but the name is different, not the digital twin. But you may be asking a question says that only in 1991 this particular term has been introduced. No, in 1960 NASA has been using this particular technology or this particular term, this particular concept without mentioning the term. They have used for the rocket launching or a space voyage or space exploration. All these things they have used, but they didn't mention the name. They didn't introduce this term also. But in 2010, NASA scientist John Berwick, he introduced this particular term called digital twin. So digital twin came into the picture in 2010, right? Then what are the major advantages? Surely you can use this particular digital twin in the R&D. Right, so the whole structure, or you wanted to implement, or you wanted to test a particular machine, or you wanted to test a particular car with the different new features, right? No need to implement it in real time, but what you can do it, you can create a digital twin, right? The old car, you can take it, you can create that particular old car into a digital version, that is virtual representation. Now, whatever measurement is there in the physical car, the same measurement and same, speed and everything will be implemented in the virtual representation also. So for this, what other technologies are required? So you need artificial intelligence, you need machine learning, and also you need a IoT. Because if you wanted to test the real-time object into a virtual representation, you need the measurements and same time. Example, you can ride a car with the sensors and all, then you can test it and you can capture the real, real nature and real speed and all. You can implement it through a virtual representation. Then you can put the test cases. If this car is going in this fast manner, then what may be the reflection? Something like that. Okay, this is another one major advantage. Another one is a efficiency. You can test the full efficiency. And same time, you want to test a process, one particular process you want to test it. Surely this process, the whole life cycle you can represent through a virtual representation, right? This is the major advantages. And you may be asking a question says that which are the companies already into the business? Yes, all the major companies they already came into this business, right? Okay, you can name it Cisco or IBM or Amazon or Oracle or NVIDIA, General Electric Company, and then Ansys. All these companies came because this is the future. 5 or 6 years back, many people told that AI will impact much. And same time, you can search it in Google. Now, this is the key word in searching. The searching history has been increased, right? So this particular digital trend, surely it will impact major application domains, right? You can say it as construction or manufacturing or automotive, energy or healthcare, all these application domains, surely this digital trend impact, right? Stay tuned, surely we will give more update on this digital trend.